Welcome to Tom and Sukey's workshop. Today we're going to be building this column right here, and we'll be putting the trim that's on the front of it. It's in its own separate video. We've already done that long ago, and we'll be putting a link to it at the end of the video. The picture of the architrave that sits on top will be over here somewhere, and there is the whole playlist available for this whole construction at the end of the video also. If you enjoy this content, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any suggestions for the channel, please leave them in the comments below. Thank you.
Tom just demonstrates how he makes the boxes for applying trim. These are going to the side of the door, so they're kind of like columns. And notice that when you do this, and you're going to put a dimensional trim also above the door, you want these two boxes, that is, the boxes on the side and the boxes on the top, to be the same depth. The two pieces that Tom is applying to the back also go the full length of the box, because that gives him plenty of room to nail the trim that's going to go on the outside face of the box. Here's just a diagram I made of the column side boxes. And after we installed them, we installed the 3-bead trim that we made earlier. To install these, Tom screws through the dimensioned blocks on the back side. And first we leveled it, and you can see the leveling board we screwed in temporarily above. And that's just to ensure that the box does not extend beyond the box that's going to go on top for the top trim.
Now, get it on the outside, because this way just a tiny bit. There we go. Right over the marks now. Right, now I finish it up.
Here I am filling the countersink screw holes that these boxes were attached to the wall with wooden pegs. I simply dip the end in a little bit of glue, and then I pound them in. Once the glue sets, I will come back with a chisel and smooth them off flush with the surface of the box.